to say just two or so that we can address them, all of them, because our time is really up.
Thank you, Chair. Welcome, Mr. Nominee. I thought my time will not reach actually, and I'm late for prayers. I was hoping I can be given a chance to speak. I may repeat some questions for the purpose of record, and issues could be the same but affects people differently. Mr. Nominee, this position comes with a lot of responsibilities, including and not limited to protection of lives and livelihoods of Kenyans. I mention this in light of extrajudicial killing and forceful disappearance of the Kenyans. According to a report on the inquiry into an extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearance in Kenya by the Committee of Justice, Legal Affairs and Human Rights that was prepared and presented by the members of the Side Committee, and this report was received by the Senate on 14th October 2021, indicates, and I quote, the authority, IPOA, thereupon informed the committee that between 1st October 2018 and 28th February 2022, it had received and admitted for investigation 210 cases of death as a result of police actions, death in police custody. Mr. Nominee, I said 210. This is just not a number. These are Kenyans, Kenyan citizens. These are fathers and mothers to our children. If approved today, I would like to know what action you will take. And I'm sure there are other recent disappearances that has happened between then and now. Given an opportunity, Mr. Nominee, what measures with strict timelines are you going to take to bring an end of police brutality and killings? I say this, and I heard you say that we need to have a conversation, and one day we need to hand over this country to our children. Mr. Nominee, these people that have disappeared are also fathers, and I'm sure at one point they will have loved to leave this country for their kids. Mr. Nominee, I would also like to say that all animals are not equal, but some animals are more equal than others. I say that because of where I come from and the issues we have regarding the extrajudicial killings. Mr. Nominee, today, through our able chairs, we would like to give you a chance, we would like to give you a chance to address the families of the victims. Speak to them honestly as you assure the rest of Kenyans of their safety, security, accountability within the police. The position you're seeking needs honesty and fidelity to the law. Mr. Nominee, I'll not ask much question. This one takes me to the drought issue, Mr. Nominee. With the ongoing droughts that has affected more than 4 million people, it's worth mentioning that the good people of Wajir County, especially Wajir West and our brothers from Cielo, have clashed numerous times in pursuit for forage and water, resulting to unnecessary death from both sides. While residents in some parts of Wajir East...
Just point over like dog, Mushima.
Yes,
kindly,
I am actually...
you're kind of like doing a statement.
Okay, Mushima. Okay, Mr. Nominee. Parts of Wajir East and Tarbaj are numerously being attacked by Al-Shabaab. They live in fear. We would like the nominee to address the issue of Al-Shabaab. Our schools are being attacked. Our health centers are being attacked. The residents live in fear. So we would like him to address also that. Thank you.
Honorable Fatima talked about IPOA. IPOA, yes. I join as the Commandant at National Police College, I enjoy cordial relationship with the IPOA. They visit me at the college frequently. They come, I take them to our armory, they look at our training. We have good relationship. And that's why some stage I mentioned last evening when I was getting encouraging messages for coming before you. Among those who sent a message is the chairperson IPOA. So if I'm the bad relationship with IPOA, should not have sent the chairperson, would not have sent that encouraging message on behalf of the IPOA. But since I have no issues with them, they feel they're happy with Japheth as the next IG. So, Chair, honorable members, if given that the approval is granted, IPOA will be a partner. Kenya National Human Rights Commission and Gender, they will be partners. The civil society, Rafton, we shall be partners. Aki, is Aki Africa, we shall be partners because we are serving the same Kenyan. We are serving the same Wananchi. Yes, again, the issue of the extrajudicial killing has come up. Chair, I'm at the college, I'm at the police college. The honest statement, in our police colleges, we don't train how to strangle anybody. There is no such a session, how to kill by strangulation. It's not there. But we train our officers how to use firearms. However, we tell them clearly, use of a firearm is the last thing you can do. And there are justifiable instances when you can use a firearm. It is stipulated in the law. 1, there are 5 instances: saving or protecting life of the officer or another person. 2, protecting life or property. If property or life is in danger, an officer can use a firearm. 3, for self-defense. Either the officer is defending himself or another person due to imminent threat to life or serious injury. The other one is the 4th one. If any person who is charged for having committed a felony is escaping from lawful custody, he has committed a felony, serious offense, punishable by imprisonment for over 3 years. We are talking about murder, manslaughter, robbery, violence. If he is attempting to escape, an officer can use a firearm. The last one, anybody who attempts to rescue, anybody who has been arrested or charged for committing a felony, then again the officer is justified to use a firearm. It's just those instances. That is what we tell the officers. So anybody going out of that arrangement, what is provided by the law, then again the constitution is very clear. You face trial and be dealt with just like any other criminal. We don't condone, we don't allow killing anybody. Everybody has a right to life.